Hey, it's Paul here, and coming up very soon, we are hosting our free 3-day winter gardening challenge, where we are going to literally take you by the hand, step by step, through the process of how to use our winter gardening formula to easily grow fresh veggies in your garden through the winter, or at least when it's really cold outside, without breaking your pocketbook. So in this challenge, you're going to discover a very simple formula to know which veggies grow better in the summer, which veggies grow better in the winter, so you know which ones to choose to grow in your garden. You're going to get free access during the challenge to our proprietary click and drop gardening calendars, so you'll be able to see a calendar based on your location, and then you can just click on the crops you want to grow. It will drop them into the calendar and tell you when you should be seeding them or transplanting them for your location, for your winter garden. Very cool stuff. You'll also discover a very simple method that we use called a quick hoop method to protect your veggies in the winter. That's very inexpensive and very effective at protecting your veggies and helping you grow your winter garden, and a bunch more. So it's going to be 3 days of the challenge. We're going to have little worksheets to help you go along and little homework to keep you on track. And we want to set you up to have the best winter garden that you've ever experienced. So if you're excited about growing your own food this winter, not having to rely on the grocery stores. You know, things are going crazy in this world. We don't know that if food is going to always be available on those shelves. We want to help you be set up for success and to be able to provide for yourself, for your family, and for others as well. So we would love to have you attend. It's absolutely free. It's easy to join. Just click the link on this page, the button on this page, to sign up and register. And you know, in the past, we've done workshops like this, and we've actually charged for them in the past, so we could be charging for this one too, but we've decided to open it up to everyone. We want to help as many people as possible, so right now it's free. So jump in, claim your free seat, and please share this with your friends, share this with your family, share this with your gardening clubs, your gardening communities. We would love to get as many people in here as possible and help every single one of you, and you know, together create our best winter gardens ever this year. So click the button below to register, and I can't wait to see you on the other side inside our winter gardening challenge.